Well, friends, I'm Geoffrey Macento. Today, I'm going to talk about inverse equations. So, what are inverse equations? Are they just, well, you just write it out. I do not have to spell it. Snoitiauque. That is the inverse of the alphabetical equations. So yeah, no, we're not going to talk about that. Not about grammar. This is about math. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. But makes sense considering what I just gave you. So, what are inverse equations? But before I tell you, subscribe to this channel to support us, and like if you like this video, dislike if you dislike this video. Comment down below math related. Don't comment down below anything non-math related. Make sure that it's related to inverse equations though. Oh yeah, because I could not explain it. What are inverse equations? They are equations that are inverse with the output becoming the input and the output becoming the input. The direction is inverse and also negative first. Like inside the bracket. I think that's what is useless as in. Let me just describe first, I suppose. Except for the newly added brackets, which will mean that it is the when justifying that from the describe first. So yeah, I guess we could just inverse equations now for me to show you. So it becomes x equals to y plus by 3, and that's in a bracket, might divided by 5. Now, let's try inputting 1. 1, no, literally 1. 5 minus by 3 equals to 2. And then, wait, output is 2, right? 2 plus 3 divided by 5. And this time it is in brackets. So, yes, it becomes 1. So yeah, that's basically inverse equations in a nutshell. Y equals to 3x divided by 2. Inverse that. So becomes y equals to, no, not y. It's x. X equals to y divided by 3 divided by 2. Alright, divided by 3. That's the brackets that will say multiply by 2. Or just accidentally erase the equation equals to 2y divided by 3. So we could input 1 to make sure that it's correct. 3 divided by y. We are dealing in decimals. 3 divided by 2 equals to 1.5. Now the input should be 1.5, which means 3 divided by 3 equals to. Yep, this is an example of a proper inverse equation, and they are working. Y equals to x divided by 2. X equals to y multiplied by 2, or just 2y. Next one, last one, y. I mean x divided by equals x divided by y so be equals to y dưới đây phải từ equals to simple twice equals to y minus by 5. That one is pretty easy and we do not really need to check unless you want to check, which means 1 plus 5 equals to 6. 6 minus by 5 equals to 1. You can just test it with 1. And if the result does not come back as 1, then you may need to reconsider it as an inverse fraction. No, not an inverse fraction, but an inverse equation. Also, I dropped my mouse. I meant the non-living one, the one used to control your computer. Not the living one, as if I have mouse. So yeah. Now you may wonder, what if it is fractions x? Okay, let me just say y equals to 2 over 3 times by x. Interesting, I suppose. We can just break it down. Number lock. X, it equates to x multiplied what's that? That also stands as multiplication by the way, in case you don't know. X multiplied by 2.3 2 over 3 equals to x over 1 multiplied by 2 over 3. Now if we just make it a 3 to make it simple, the equals to 1 and a 1, meaning it equals to 2. You understand that? You understand that? So yeah, that's essentially how you do it. So let's make one, I suppose. That's supposed to be inverse. X for the inverse actually. Now it becomes x equals to, let's say that the input is 3, so it becomes y equals to 1. Now the input is 1, and then it just multiplied by 3, and then later multiplied by 2. Let me see if this is correct. If it is not, I'm going to have to redo unexpectedly. Wait, just oh yeah, I have found it. I have found it. It should be 3 over 2y. It should be 3 over 2y. No, you might wonder, is that simple? Yes. You add 3 here. Let me just put it, and then it becomes 1. Yeah. Then you add 1 here. That symbol again. Asterisk. And then, guess what? Oh, wait, what? Wait a second. Yeah, 3 over 2 goes to, it equates to 1.5, which means it's not the same. It needs multiplied by 2. Works. What about 6? I am not that keen on getting decimals because of a fraction. 6, and that should equate to roughly 4. Now equals to 4. 4 divided by 2 equals to how many? 2, and then 6, and then 12. Wait, what the? Oh yeah, I think I should make it like this. 4 divided by 2 multiplied by 3. Now it works. What about 3? What about, 3 equals to 1? Oh yeah, and forgot to change that. Not the equation. No, not capital X. Now it becomes 1 divided by 2 equals to 0.5 equals to 1.5. Well. I think I need to fix something here. Take by 2. Well, still the same. So, turns out number lock. Turns out this does not work on ones. Come on. That's what 6 again. If I just do this. You see, it is going to be 2. Yeah, it should be 2. Change that to 2. It equals to 6. 6 divided by 2 equals to 3. So we need to get rid of the 2. There, it works. You just multiply it by 3. So yeah, I suppose that is it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.